Hello, Philadelphia Graveyard and History. Today we are visiting the Musical Fund Hall, located at 808 Locust Street, Philadelphia, PA. Site of the first Republican National Convention from June 17th through the 19th, 1856. The building was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1971. This building was initially housed the First Presbyterian Church. It was turned into the largest musical auditorium in Philadelphia by William Strickland and opened in December 1824. Noted for its fine acoustics. Notable musical artists, authors, and lecturers have appeared at Musical Fund Hall, including 1825, Marquis de Lafayette, French hero of the American Revolutionary War. 1842, Charles Dickens, author of A Tale of Two Cities and A Christmas Carol. June 17th to the 19th, 1856, site of the first Republican National Convention, held here at Musical Fund Hall. John C. Fremont was the nominated on the second ballot. William L. Dayton of New Jersey was the vice presidential nominee. The Republican candidate, John C. Fremont Dayton ticket, lost to Democrat James Buchanan, who became the 15th president. Also running as a third-party candidate was Know Nothing Party nominee, former President Millard Fillmore. Democrat Buchanan won 174 electoral votes, carrying 19 states out of the 31 states at the time. Fremont won 114 electoral votes, carrying 11 states. Former President Fillmore won 8 electoral votes, winning only Maryland. So, this beautiful building has now been converted into apartments. So, it is not possible to go inside unless you live there. But the facade is still very much the same as it was back then. Here we'll take a look at the front facade of the Musical Fund Hall. Looks like it's all the original bricking. And here is the National Register of Historic Place marker. First Republican National Convention in the Musical Fund Hall. Here in June 1856, John C. Fremont was nominated for President of the United States. He lost the election to James Buchanan. Formed in 1854, the Republican Party opposed the extension of slavery. Lincoln was its first nominee, elected president 1860. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also, please check the link in the description for our Patreon, which helps fund more exciting trips. Thank you for watching.